is Eric here from the Precious Paws family. Today I'm gonna open up booger sandwich.
No, we're not doing booger sandwiches. No, that's wrong. We're gonna open up what?
Cooking creation.
We're opening up Play-Doh's Kitchen Creation. So let's check it out.
Wasn't that funny?
Yeah, you and your booger creations. That's funny. You're silly. You can make a booger salad.
I'm trying to get. Oh, whoa! It comes with little cards, little recipe cards.
Ooh, these are nice.
There's double-sided.
Oh wow!
Well. So let's start unboxing this.
Here's the other one. Ooh, fancy.
Fancy. We got in there.
Wow, you got a lot of stuff, man.
Whoa! What the heck?
Holy cow!
Oh my God! Look at this.
Well, you get a bunch of molds.
Then I think you get 7 Play-Dohs. Well, one of the Play-Dohs fell on the floor. And these little Play-Dohs.
Okay, so here's all the molds that you get. Super cool. And there is the Play-Doh. Woohoo! Soft new Play-Doh. So exciting. Love new Play-Doh.
And this is a little water.
That looks like a carton of milk.
And that's crazy. And it is an intruder.
Yep. Stuff will squeeze out of it.
If you put
You can make
Play-Doh
like
in.
noodles or something like that. Okay, so what else
So
do we have?
now we have a little carton.
That's a little basket. You could put your berries in it.
Berries. But on the other side is another mold.
Oh, let me see. Wow. Oh, there's the berries. You can make all the berries that go in
There is
this.
fish on this side, but there's little moles on here.
Let me see. Oh, they almost look like little candies. And oh, there's an egg. You can make a fried egg.
I knew
You're
that.
gonna open that inside. What is that? Oh, you can make eggs.
Okay. The only thing is we don't have a lot of white. This is our first white.
Do we have yellow? Well, we have orange, so we can make the egg yolk orange.
Wow, look at it. Comes with 2 plates.
Oh, look on the back of the plates, though. Check that out. Oh, you got more molds.
Waffles.
Let's see the molds.
And some
Waffles.
candies as well. And whoa, look at this!
What do you got?
Bean sprout and some cabbage.
Ooh.
Looks bok choy. And here is a strudel piece. It must go right here for you to make any mold you want.
Yeah, you could do noodles, all different
For you to make
designs of
any
them.
mold you want.
Okay, so let's see what else you have.
And look at this. Little forks and knives.
And you have a
Oh
spoon.
my gosh.
Super
This,
cool.
that's actually a knife. Oh, no carton. Here goes this molder.
That mold looks like cereal, and look at all the cool stuff inside. You can make a lot of neat stuff. Let me see. So you can show
And look at this.
Ooh. And then there's some on the back too. That's really neat.
I've
So,
been-
are you ready to start making stuff?
Yes.
What? No way. How did you do that so quick? What is this? Ooh, this looks like little wheat check cereal. Ooh. You gotta pour some milk in it. And then I'm gonna use my spoon and I'm gonna eat it. Ooh, it's green milk. Ah, that's disgusting. It's moldy milk. Ew. I don't know if I want this now. All right, I'm gonna try it.
I'm still not done.
I'm gonna try it. This is delicious. Great job. So what are you gonna make now?
I am making bread.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna have you make a bunch of things and then we'll come back and we'll show everybody what you made. Here is some of the molds that we made. We have a fish, we have the fried egg, grapes, we have blueberries, strawberries, cherries, blackberries, and we have a carrot. And Eric made a smiley face on it. And he just made some bread. Ooh, it looks yummy. Mmm. So do you like this Play-Doh set?
Yes.
You having a lot of fun?
Yes.
Give it a thumbs up. A high five, all right.
Okay, what is this going to be? It's a gummy pie? It's like sliced it as well. Okay, let's take this slice. It's actually really good. What is it going to be? Oh, wow, look at this. A gummy egg. Wow. Let me taste it. Oh, this is not good. Okay, seriously, don't eat the gummy egg. It's disgusting. Thanks for watching.